Hi, I'm Nicolas, Barsky, an industrial designer based in Barcelona, Spain.
And yes, I'm open to work.
I specialize in product development from concept to manufacturing with a strong background in custom parts and accessories. I always aim to balance functionality and aesthetics depending on the project, and when I heard about the design-based contest, I knew I had to give it a shot. For this project, I figured that function might have to take a lead over aesthetics, so the main goal at first was pretty simple, make it work. I started exploring different design directions, but quickly I ran into some limitations that weren't so obvious at first. One of the big things in combat robotics is repairability, like being able to access the internal component during the fight. That means that the top panel needs to be removable. From that need, the idea of an exoskeleton was born, like a structural armor that wraps around the robot and its wheels while still giving access to electronics and motors. Once that was sorted, the next question was, okay, but how should it look? HyperShock has already a strong identity, fast, aggressive, kind of wild, so I wanted to stay close to that. I used chassis mounting points as the base to design a continuous shell around the wheels. It's made of aluminum and it sticks to the same fabrication style as the original armor. The shape is inspired by race car, from the speed, from the movement, trying to make the negative spaces look like air intakes or aerodynamic fins. For me, these kind of contests are all about learning and skill building, and this one was no exception. One of the biggest challenges, making a render that looked believable. Reproducing entire coatings in keyshot, adding texture, damage, vinyl layers, it pushed my rendering game up a lot of levels. And huge thanks to leManoosh for organizing such an open and honest contest, and not just setting the stage for creativity but also giving the visibility to the designers involved. That really means a lot to the community, and this was a super motivating experience. Being selected among the top 3 made it even more special, and hope to keep seeing you and keep being seen. Thank you.